Hey everybody, it's Josh here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a direct download button in Divi. This is a really handy feature for when you want to have website users click something and then have it directly download to their machine without normally popping open a window where they would then have the options to print or download it from there. Now, this is based on a previous Elegant Themes blog post, which I'll link to below, but I get this question a lot still, and I see it often in my Divi Facebook group. So I figured I'll go ahead and make a quick tutorial out of it. So what we're going to do is we're going to create this effect where in this case we have my web design sales tips ebook, which is a PDF file. And again, normally it would open up a different window and then we would have to download it from there. But with this effect, we just click this button and there you go. You see it downloads directly to my machine. Now in this tutorial, I'm also going to show you how to do this with other file types. I do this all the time for PDFs and documents for some client websites, but I'll show you how to do this with videos, images, or any other file type you'd like as well. So let's go ahead and dive in. What we're going to do is I'm actually going to show you how to do this in two different areas. I'm going to show you how to do it on a button, but I also want to show you how to do it in text as well. I find this very important because I've had to do this previously where clients didn't want a page that had buttons or the Divi builder, they just wanted text. But it's an important feature to have there too. So first things first, let's do it on this button. So with that PDF I just downloaded, I'm actually going to add that file. So let's go to New Media, and let's add that PDF to our website here. So let's go ahead and look at that PDF ebook that I just downloaded, which this actually is available for you for free if you would like. I'll link to it below. Is a free ebook. So I've got that downloaded, and let's go edit. And what we're going to do is we're going to take the entire file URL. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're going to put this as the link in our button. So let's go into our button here. I'm using the visual builder and I've got this button all ready for us. Let's add this link. Let's go ahead and save that. And for right now, let's look at where we're at because most people do this. And the problem with this is it's still not going to download directly. So as of right now, if we click this button, and let's bring this down because you'll see what will happen. Watch the URL change. When we click this, it's going to take us right to the PDF itself, which is fine. It's not terrible, but number one, it took us away from the website into the actual web file, which could confuse some users. And then again, as I mentioned, when you get to this point, the user is going to have to either download from here or they could print it. And then in some cases, this will look different depending on what kind of machine you're using. So again, we want to create that effect to give that the direct download. Now we're really close, but what we need to do is add just a little bit of coding that's going to give it that download feature. So this is the coding that we're going to use, and this is actually available on the post for you. So this is the code that is taken from that old Elegant Themes blog post. I modified it slightly, but I'll show you what to do with this. So we're going to take this. This is jQuery. Ooh, scary stuff, I know. Very easy to use though. Where you're going to put this is you can go into your dashboard under Divi, Theme Options, and then you're going to want to go to Integration. And then right here, we're going to want to add this jQuery to the head of our blog. So we're going to put that right in there. And let me walk you through what this is saying. Now, I'm no jQuery expert by any means, but let me just kind of walk this through as I understand it. This is saying that this download button has a class right here, and I have this labeled as download button, but you could call this class anything you want. We're going to use this class to tell that button to do a direct download. So you'll see that here in a second. The other part to this is the actual function. This is saying that when an element has that class, then execute the function of download, which is going to force that to download directly. So first things first, let's make sure we have this saved. And again, we're going to take that class from the dot over, so download button, and we're going to put this in our button here. So let's go back into the visual builder. Let's dive into that button, and we're going to give this that class of download button, which will make it downloadable, direct download. So let's go in here, and you're going to put that class under advanced, under ID and classes, and right there actually was playing around with it earlier. So you can see right there, the class should be download button with no dot. You don't want to put the dot in the class window here. That needs to be elsewhere. And there we go. We have our download button class in there. Let's go ahead and save that, and let's exit just to make sure this is looking good on the front end. So now when I click download, this should directly download the file and it should not open up in that new window. And there we go. Easy peasy, guys. It's that simple. In short, all you have to do is open this code up, which is available for you in the post below. Put this code in your theme options right there, and then just add that class, which can be labeled anything as long as it's the same. just add that to the button. You can also add this to other Divi elements. You could do this on text modules, image modules, anything that has a class attribute, and then that can download directly. So very easy to do it in a button. Now let me go ahead and show you how to do it in the text here as well. Because again, I've had to do this previously on sites to where they didn't want a button, they just wanted text with links to download. So let's go into the Visual Builder again. And this may look a little bit scary because we're going to have to use just a little bit of CSS, but don't worry, I'll walk you through this. And let's go into the text module. And what we're going to do is we're going to use a method called inline text. And I know that sounds terrifying. I actually explain this a lot more in my CSS course though, which is why I think it's so important to know at least the fundamental elements of CSS. So if you're interested in learning more about CSS in Divi, check out my course. I actually have a promo code below for you that you can use. But in any case, let me show you how to do this because I do go into it more there, but it's very easy. What we're going to do is we're going to pretend like the words "click here" should be where we download that PDF. So I'm going to highlight that. And I'm just going to give this a link. And then you guessed it, we're going to go back to our media file. We're going to make sure we have that whole link copied. And let's add that into the URL. We're not going to worry about setting a target because this is going to download directly. Now here's where we need to add that class again, because that class that we put in our theme options, we need to add here. So the way you do that with HTML is to add it in what's called inline CSS. So I'm going to pull this open just so you can see it a little better. And I know this looks a little scary, but in short, you can see that the text "click here" is wrapped in A, which means it's a link. So what we want to do is we want to add after the media file here this class. So the way you can do that with inline CSS is to say class equals, and we want to call that the download button. Make sure it's spelled right. Make sure we've got our parentheses and everything there. Make sure we got our quotes and everything looking good there. So there we go. Class equals download button, and what that's saying is that these words of "click here" have the class of download button wrapped around them. So let's save, let's exit the Visual Builder, and now when we test out clicking "click here," that should download the PDF. And there we go, easy peasy guys, it's that simple. Just by using the code here, put in there in the head of the blog, and we can use that class in anything. We can put it in links, buttons, image modules, anything we want to. And then lastly, I told you that you could add any type of files here, and you can do that with this effect. It's really handy and really, really simple. So for example, if I wanted this video to be what's downloaded, all I'd have to do is go in here, and let's add this in the button for the sake of this here. So we're going to do download, and let's make the link the video. Now let's save this and exit. And now when I click that button, the video should download. Double check, click, and there we go. The video is directly downloaded. So again, very, very handy effect, guys. I use this all the time on client sites. Really handy for PDFs, documents, and things like that. One thing I did want to mention just to wrap up here, some files will download directly. For example, zip files will download directly. So if this was a compressed file, it would download directly, but then the user would have to extract it. And I've had people who are not so savvy get confused about that. So having this feature is really, really handy. Again, you'll find that some file types will download directly. Some will open up in a different window, like you saw previously with the PDF. So this is a very handy feature to have. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Again, if you want to know more about CSS, to do things like inline CSS and things like that, check out my course with the promo code below. You can get access to that. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Hope you can use it on some client sites, and I'll see you guys next time for another quick tutorial.